Hello everybody, Jonathan Rayo here with Simplified Guitar, and in this lesson I want to teach you how to play the old hymn, All Creatures of Our God and King. As usual, I'm going to play the song for you first, and then afterwards I'm going to explain it to you, so be sure to stick around for that. For now, let's go ahead and play through the song.
All creatures of our God and King, lift up your voice and with us sing. Oh, praise Him, Alleluia. Thou burning sun with golden beams, thou silver moon with softer gleam. Oh, praise Him, oh, praise Him. Alleluia, alleluia, alleluia. Thou rushing wind that art so strong, ye clouds that sail in heaven along. Oh, praise Him, alleluia. Thou rising morn in praise rejoice, ye lights of evening find a voice. Oh, praise Him, oh, praise Him. Alleluia, alleluia, alleluia. Let all things their Creator bless, and worship Him in humbleness. Oh, praise Him, alleluia. Praise, praise the Father, praise the Son, and praise the Spirit, three in one. Oh, praise Him, oh, praise Him. Alleluia, alleluia, alleluia.
I'm going to be playing this song in the C chord family, and I'm using 4 chords. So we have the C chord, the F over C chord, the A minor 7, and G. For the strum pattern, I'm using what's called the hyperdrive pattern, which is an 8-beat strum pattern. So that just means that I'm going to be playing for 8 beats before the pattern repeats again. Now all we got to do is strum down for every beat, and then we're going to add an up strum after beat 8, and then we're going to repeat again. But what's very important about this strum pattern is that we add the emphasis at the right time. So we need to add emphasis on beat 1, 4, and 7, okay? That's where we need to add the emphasis. We're going to strum harder on 1, 4, and 7. That is going to make or break this strum pattern. We got to make sure to do that right. So let me just play the C chord, and I'm going to play through that strum pattern slowly so that you can hear it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Alright, if you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next lesson. Take care.